Hi guys, Gareth of Traffic and Automation here, and in this video we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing for absolute beginners. So if you're a total and absolute beginner to affiliate marketing, you don't necessarily even know what it is, you're not even sure how to get started, then this video is going to be very much for you. Now, I've made multiple six figures online just from affiliate marketing alone, and done right, it is the best business in the world. It can give you the freedom to live anywhere, to spend more time with your family, to work less. It very much is the passive income model that people look for. And I like to say semi-passive because you still have to do a little bit of work, but it is probably the most passive model of all the things that I do out there. So done right, you can make a lot of good money at this and have a lot more time to do what you want. So I'm going to show you the basics of this as we get started, and then at the end of the video, I'll give you an action plan of the next steps that you can take to move forward with your business. All right, so let's get into what is affiliate marketing. Well, affiliate marketing is basically introducing potential customers to businesses and products. So you're introducing potential customers to businesses, and then that business, if that potential customer buys, will give you a percentage of the sale. So rather than the business having to go out and trying to find new customers all the time, they're basically leveraging people's recommendations, people adding value, people trying to get those people. So in a real world example, if you took someone to a shop that you knew and loved, and you really liked this shop and you went there all the time, you bought and used their products, and then you said to them, okay, if I bring you some customers, would you give me a percentage of the sale if they buy? And if that shop basically said, yes, okay, I'll give you 20% of anything that your friends buy for making the introduction. So you could walk your friends in one by one or by groups into the shop, introduce them to the business, and then when your friends buy those products, you would get 20% of the sales. Now, it's very much the same deal with affiliate marketing, but the difference is that you are doing it online. So there's no walking your friends in the door of a shop. You actually have to get them to click on a link to go to the business. So you are given a unique link to you. So for whatever product you're promoting for any business, you're given a unique link. And that link basically tells the business that the traffic, the customer, came from you. So that customer came from you, from your introduction. So therefore, when that customer buys, you should make a percentage of that sale. Now, you can literally work with just about any business online. You'll probably be shocked by how many businesses actually have an affiliate system in place. It may be called a referral system, referral plan, introduce your friends. There'll be many different wordings for it, but most systems out there, most businesses out there have some type of affiliate program in place because it's just easier for them. If they're going to spend 50% of their profits on ads, they may as well give 40% away to someone to do that work for them. And let's face it, if someone makes a recommendation, someone that you trust, even a little bit, especially online these days, we trust just about anybody that we've only known for a short period of time on social media. If that person says something is good, for example, if a friend says, oh, you want to check out this pizza restaurant around the corner, you're going to go, oh great, next time I feel like pizza, I'll probably check that place out. So a third-party recommendation from a trusted source will always be an easier sale than going in cold. So if this business was telling you how amazing they are, you're probably less likely to believe it. But if your friend tells you, or someone you know, or even a third-party website that you don't think is associated with this business tells you that this product is great, you're more likely to buy. So, how do you do it though? What many people then do wrong when they start with affiliate marketing is they then go and get as many links for the types of products that they want to promote, and then they just puke these links all across the internet. So they literally go and they start spamming the links everywhere, and they think, well, if I have the links everywhere, then some people will click and I will make some money at some point. So I'll share it to my friends, I'll share it on blog posts, YouTube comments, Amazon comments, I'll put my links just about everywhere. And this is called spamming. So when you hear of spamming, it's not just when you get an email from someone in Africa trying to rob you of your money or asking for your bank details. It is basically someone actually just they're breaching contracts, they're spamming, they're putting their links everywhere. Whatever you're doing that is not adding value or not helping or breaching the terms of different services and websites, then you're spamming. You're going against the rules. So yes, you may get some results, but speaking from someone that has done this for many years and did try some of those more black hat ways of doing things, it won't work. It's the perfect way to start getting social media accounts, email accounts, websites, Google blogs. You will get so many more problems if you decide to go with a spamming approach. So yes, that just sounds like the simplest way of doing it, but it is not. So you do not just barf your links everywhere. Once you have your link, you need to add value. So this is your job as an affiliate marketer. Your job is to add some sort of value, and that could just be a recommendation, such as a review, or adding value in some sense. Let's say if you did a review for a restaurant and then there was a link to that restaurant, or you did a review for a phone and then there was a link to that phone, then obviously you somehow have added value. Now, typically doing real reviews and using real products and telling your story of using those products, then you are adding value. Now, you could take that a stage further and not just do reviews, not just have links on your website. You could actually start to target those products and actually add value in many different ways. So it could be a mini course that helps someone with the first step to actually start buying a product. So let's say it was a software and someone doesn't know how to use that software, and the software doesn't really have much training, then you could do a short training on that, and then you have added value. So it's how to get the most out of your free trial with this product, for example. You would be helping them, and that is adding value. So adding value, you don't have to be an expert to do this. It could be your hero's path, where you're saying the problems and issues you had when you first started using a product. But you need to add value in some way to get in between the sale. So you add value, you're a link. As I said, the spammy way is just throwing that link everywhere to try and get in between the sale. But if you get in between the sale with some type of value, it doesn't matter how small you are or how insignificant you think your website or your social media account is. If you have added value to some way to help that person come to the decision that they want to buy that product, then they won't care. They're just thinking of themselves and they want that product now. So now you have automatically made a percentage of that sale. You do not have to deal with customer service. You will probably never see that customer again, but you will be getting paid from the business. So it's about introducing potential customers to businesses by adding value to get in between the sale. So you get in between the sale by adding value. Now, where do you start? I'm not going to lie to you, I did say there is a huge amount of affiliate platforms and affiliate products to sell out there. Now, just about any market you would want to get into, be it fitness, health, wealth, happiness, relationships, whatever your niche, whatever your market, there's going to be a lot of products. But the one place everybody has to start is with internet marketing. So, sorry about my dreadful writing, but affiliate marketing. We all have to start with learning this stuff. Okay, so if you're learning internet marketing, what do I mean by internet marketing? How to use email tools, how to build a simple web page, how to get Facebook ads or free social media traffic. As you learn these little bits and pieces, you will be learning internet marketing. So regardless of what you want to sell, be it I actually would like to sell the juicer in the fitness industry, you have to learn this stuff first. And you have to get the tools, such as the autoresponder tools, the page building tool, the marketing tools. You have to get all of these to actually be able to sell the product that you're going to be wanting to sell later on. So if you're going to be learning this stuff, then you may as well get paid. You might as well earn while you learn. So you want to earn while you learn. So what do I mean? Everybody, as far as I'm concerned, should start in the internet marketing space. Because what many other experts and gurus will tell you is that you don't really need to use the product yourself to sell it. And this is absolute rubbish, because that is the perfect way to lose trust and to look fake. By all means, do a 14-day trial of something and spend 10 days absolutely drilling yourself on how that product works, and then recording some videos and then recommending it. But if you really want to build trust and you really actually want to create long-term relationships and actually grow your affiliate business, then I highly, highly recommend that you only promote products that you have really, really tested, or even better, use. So, as you are going to be using internet products, you are probably going to do courses that you can become affiliate of to sell to learn this stuff. You're going to get the page builders, as I said. So you might as well get the affiliate links because you'll automatically be approved if you have an account. So it's much easier to get those links for those companies than often you might need approval. They might want to see your website first. They might want to see some history. They might want to know more about how you're going to promote it. So in which case, promoting products that you actually pay for and use yourself is far easier, and you won't have to get any approval. They'll automatically typically give you a link to promote. So, as I said, internet marketing, if you're going to learn this stuff and you're going to use the products, you might as well promote these first. And then, as your marketing chops come up and you start to have some real skills, then you could move into other markets, such as health, relationships, whatever the niche is that you want to move into. But then you'll have more skills, you'll know how to approach things better, and you'll be able to start making money and probably competing far, far better. So far easier to compete than you would normally be able to do so, because you've now learned something, you've gone up against some of the best. And although it may be scary, and everybody goes, well, it's so busy, everybody is doing that, that's a good thing. Because remember, everybody has to start there. So there's a hell of a lot of money, and as everybody needs these tools and services and products and training programs, they're always going to be sold. There's a huge amount of people buying these. And if they're using these products to promote other products because they need the marketing tools, they're liable to stay with these products and programs for a very, very long time, which is where you can get things like recurring products and stuff that's going to help you replace your job. And that's the aim of the game. We want to replace our job. The only way to do that is with some sort of subscription products that you're also promoting. We'll go into more detail in additional videos soon on the reoccurring side and what we actually recommend promoting. But start with internet marketing products, because there's so many products in the market to promote. And as I said, the market is so big, and it's where everybody literally has to start out. Now, if you're thinking, how am I going to promote this? I'm not an expert. You don't have to be an expert. Post about your journey. So if you're going to do YouTube, if you're going to blog, if you're going to do any of the different channels from paid ads to whatever you're going to do, all you have to do is do the hero's journey. Talk about your struggles, the things you learned as you were going along. Even if you're going on about your affiliate marketing journey, you can start to plot this, and there's lots of people in the same position as you who will relate to you better, way better than they will relate to me. Lots of people, I may oversee a lot of those struggles that those people are seeing, but you won't, because you're actually at the very beginning. So I often see the people at the very beginning who actually then help other people who are at the beginning often get better results than the likes of I would actually trying to help those people, because I'm perhaps a few steps ahead where we're not so alike and I can't really see their struggles quite the same. So, with that said, if you would like more information and you would like to continue with learning about affiliate marketing, starting to understand more about what you can actually promote, the products, the ways you can do it, the traffic sources and the things that you need to think about, then you can get free access to our academy. We'll give you lots of training, and I'll put a link in the description so you can continue with this. Otherwise, the video would have to be way longer. But as always, if you like this video, please comment below, please subscribe, tell us if you'd like to see more of this content, and make sure to mark the bell so that you get notifications every time we release more content. All right, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. As always, any comments, please mention them below.